We've been compiling some of the snow totals that have been reported officially from the National Weather Service. And look at Dahlonega. That's one of the higher totals that we had there of 5 inches of snow. Over in DeKalb County, Verdun about 3.5 inches. Brookhaven 2, Floyd County up around Lindale 4 inches, as well as into Roosterville. Arabia Mountain got 3 inches. And then some other areas of Cedartown, Sweat Mountain between 1 and 2 inches, 3.5 in Norcross. But we also were looking at not only the snow totals, but also those ice totals, and that makes a difference of the weight on the trees out there. We've got a lot of areas that were between 2/10 of an inch of ice and 1/4 of an inch of ice from Alpharetta, Sandy Creek, Johns Creek, Dahlonega, and Gresham Park. Also, these areas of Dalton, Canton, Sandy Springs, Suwannee, and Jasper, around 1/4 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch of ice. And the ice part is generally not going to grow as much still tonight because we're watching that moisture, that freezing rain, and some of that freezing drizzle that we're still dealing with in spots that's going to be ending during the nighttime hours. So the precipitation part of this system is ending. It's just the cold air that's not ending, and what is on the ground is going to take a while for it to disappear, all depending on these temperatures. And right now we're still hovering just above freezing in Atlanta, 33 degrees, also 33 in Peachtree City. We've got temperatures at freezing at Duluth and in Athens. Carrollton is below freezing, Canton just below freezing, and of course Blairsville and Clayton below freezing too. Now that's not the only thing we look at when we're talking about those conditions on the roads. We not just look at the surface temperatures, but also the actual temperatures of those roads. Melissa Nord joins us right now. You've been monitoring those tonight, and those are showing some encouraging signs.
Yeah, for now, a lot of these road surface temperatures, we're talking the main roads, not the back roads, are still just above freezing. So if they've been treated, those roads are still slushy, but it's the back roads, the neighborhood roads that didn't get any salt on them, where you're likely to see a lot more really hazardous icy conditions out there, especially if you add hills into the equation. It's difficult travel out there. You can see here the road temperatures, big picture. It's northeast Georgia where we've been watching temperatures at or below freezing the entire day. So this is the pavement surface in Blue Ridge there, 31 degrees, 31 in Rabun County. You get down into Jackson County, you can see 33 degrees right there, right along I-85 at State Route 11, and then inside the perimeter, 35, the downtown connector. So as we go through the rest of the overnight, I know these are above freezing now. Some of these will drop back down to the freezing mark, and that means things that are liquid right now freeze over again. And that's why we recommend, and GDOT crews recommend, wait until after sunrise, give it an hour or two, and if you have to be out tomorrow, don't go tonight. Wait until the sun's been up for a little bit. And Chris, that will mean we get a little bit of melting in there tomorrow.
And that's what we're hoping to see tomorrow with some of those improvements that are going to be moving in. We're watching that precip that's moving out right now. In the morning, we're going to have clouds. It's not out of the question that there could be a snowflake or two still shaking out of those clouds in North Georgia. But through the day tomorrow, we start off with those temperatures below freezing by a degree or two. And then in the afternoon, we're going to warm up to around 35, 36 degrees tomorrow. Yes, that is above freezing, but it's not too far from it. But we think we'll see some melting, and that sun will help to work away at some of that moisture that's still left on the road. So we still have the weather impact alert for tomorrow. You're going to still need to be careful tomorrow. Even Sunday morning, a low of 20 degrees. So anything that's not gone will be slick again, but we do get up to 39 in the afternoon. And then next week, it's going to be dry, partly cloudy skies, lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s. These temperatures still below where we should be for this time of year.